Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2015 Kia Rio EX. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.6 liter engine. And taking a look at the back here, we do got a backup camera. You got the EX GDI logo, the Kia Rio logo, some nice black accents, which adds a nice pop to the white car. We do have turn light indicated mirrors and folding mirrors. These nice LED lights, license plate bracket, and that nice Kia grill. Taking a look on the inside, we can see here we do have plenty of cargo space. You do got cargo space underneath by just pulling this up as well, and you can collapse a row if you need additional space. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You got a cup holder, little storage in the doors. We got cargo nets on the back of the seats, and you can move this forward and back for more arm room up front. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, Kia Rio logo on the floor mats, tons of storage up front. You can collapse your mirrors from there. Eco mode, lights, and traction all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 46,850 kilometers. We do get a nice leather wrap steering wheel. You got your voice, cruise control settings there, trip, your phone, volume, mode, and mute. And we can go through kilometers and other settings. Up here, you got your gear select, parking brake, cup holders, heated front seats with tons more storage. You got two 12 volts, aux and USB, climate controls right here. AC, rear controls, storage below. You got your hazards above, Sirius XM, UVO, Bluetooth, clock. You have AM, FM, Sirius, media, seek, track, jukebox, phone, and other settings. And you do get a nice little storage cubby just right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB11061A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.